Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I whipped this up as a prototype just to see how I could get it, and I learned a few things. So this time we're going to do this stone here. I don't know if you can see the chatoyancy in it or not, but it's really sparkly. And this is just done with metallic paints, and this was from a pour. But I did this thing at the bottom. And this is done with 4 pieces of 22 gauge wire. And this time I'm going to try it with 20 gauge. And I've cut them extra long because we have to fold them in half. So let's see, this is an 18-inch board. It goes to 18 and 8, so that's 26 inches. You probably can get away with just 20 inches or so. Get my stuff out of the way here. Now I'm going to try really hard to stay in camera, and we're going to actually add a few beads. I'm using zebra wire today, and these are just probably plastic with a chrome coating on them. So let's see where we can. We're going to take 2 wires, and we're going to roughly find the middle. And you're going to do this the same with with all 4 wires, but we want to make these one size. So let's see, let's go with a bigger hole this time. I'm using my step bail pliers just so I can have uniformity. Alright, so that's those 2. 20 gauge is a little stiffer than 22. So we've got the center right about here, and now we're going to flip this and we're going to go to the larger size. We just want to get that curve in there like that. Alright, now we're going to take one of the large ones and one of the smaller ones and see how they fit. That looks pretty good. Alright, so we'll lay that like that. We'll lay that like that. Now we're going to come across here. Let's get these out of the way. I think this is going to be the fiddliest part, because you got to get this and this together. Let's just do one set to start out with, and then we can add the other 2. Got the sun coming in my side window. I hope it's not too much of a glare for you guys. Now I want to make sure that my outside wire stays on the outside because I don't want any crisscrossing going on. So that one's good. This one is good. So now we'll give these a pull. Okay, now we're going to make kind of like an X. So we've got a kind of an X going on here. We're going to lay it like that. And now this is going to sit right down in there like that. I'm going to take the back wires and pull them up. Just to hold them in place. And now we're going to give these a gentle smush. You work very gently with plaited wire. Right from here, you could go really simple and just trap it front and back, wrap it around. But we want to add some interest like we did with this. But I think what I really want to do is to create not just a swirl. Let me see, where am I? I'm trying to get to the point where this is captured. Do a small swirl right here. I like that. That's pretty. Let's take these two wires here and give this a bend around. Just once. That gets them secure. Cute. All right, now we've got a bunch of wires here. Let's go with these four right here. Let's see if we can get them lined up. I'm going to pull them forward, almost a 90-degree angle. Okay, got that like that. And now let's sandwich those in there like this. You know, the fun thing about this whole thing is that every one of these is going to be different. It doesn't matter what you try to do, you're going to have different designs every time. Now we need to figure out where we can sandwich the raw edges. So let's go, I'm going to clip some of this off. I don't need all this. Now you want to start with the inside wire first. You're just going to tuck it somewhere where it is not going to come out. Okay, let's see what we could do with this piece. Let's make some interest. See that right there? I'm going to clip that off. Okay, now these are still loose, so we've got to get them stiffened up here. I think I want something right here. So let's see, how can we get that over there? Oh, I forgot to add the beads. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to add the beads. We'll add beads to the next one. Okay, let's get this fixed here. I don't like this. I like it. I like it a lot. See how different they are? I'm a little off. And I think it's a little too late. I don't think I can fix it. What do you think, guys? It's off, I know. It's handcrafted. What do you want? If you want perfect, you probably should go to a regular jeweler, I guess. Next time we'll do this one. We'll do it on a horizontal. And we'll just do some regular wrapping. No fussy stuff. And we will try to remember to add some beads. Thanks for joining me today. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And leave me a comment. I respond to all the comments that I get. And I would love to hear from you. Love to get some feedback from you guys. If you have any ideas of what you would like to see, leave me a comment there and I will see if I can put it on my to-do list. All right. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.